How's it going, YouTube world? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope everybody is doing well. Hey, again, if you're new here, I'm TD205. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate y'all. I keep trying to drop this hot content for y'all so I can get back in that algorithm. But yeah, today will be a install video. I've been talking about it within my last few videos. I figured I just went on, pull the trigger like I told y'all, and I ended up purchasing one. It's a backrest. So I ended up getting a backrest from I think it's BENALRI, and so got it sent in the mail. So I'm finna install it on the bike. Shouldn't take me too long, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me, just kind of show you how easy the install is. I actually got the detachable one where you can take, you know, off and on whenever you want to. I didn't want to go through the process of taking the seat off every time, so I just got the detachable backrest, and I think it's gonna be a good fit. I've been missing out, so yeah, I got the backrest. Big hurt. I went on, got me one, man. So yeah, I'm finna install this backrest. Hopefully it don't take too long. It shouldn't take too long. And again, I'm gonna take y'all on with me, and I'll probably take a again, another nice day down here in the south. So I'll probably take a ride too once I get it installed and just kind of see how it feels, you know, get acclimated with it. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all getting out, getting these miles in, baby. So yeah, let's get to it. In the land of passion. All right, so here's the box that it comes in. So let's go ahead on and open it up. All right, so let's see what we got here. Okay. All right, so this is the instructions here. Well, they got it wrapped pretty good. All right. Got it wrapped pretty good. Dang, I ain't mean to rip it like that. Alright, so. Alright, so I guess this is the bracket piece. Alright. Seat. Oh, got a little pouch back there. Okay. So I guess, yeah, this is the piece that goes under the seat. And, yep, I think that's the slide that goes, yep, slide. Okay. And hardware. All right, so let's go and get this thing put on. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is take our seat off. And I got this little screw here off Amazon. Make it nice and easy. I think I paid like 9 or 10 bucks for it. Just take it off like this. Alright. Nice and easy. Alright. And we'll get our seat off. Alright. Got our seat off, so now we got access to this area here. Alright. Got my instructions here. I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. 2 mounting screws here. Instructions here. Take the seat off. Put the little black piece there. Mount it there. So it's a simple setup. Pretty easy. So let me go and knock this out and I'll show y'all the finished product. So this screw here is a, this bolt here is a 13. Yep. 13 millimeter. It's 13. All right, y'all. So once you get your seat off, you have access to these 2 pieces right here. Y'all can see that. There's 2 empty holes right here. And so basically this piece here will go here. That should be good enough, but I'm gonna tighten it down some more so it won't go nowhere. Yeah, it ain't gonna go nowhere. All right, so that's that piece. All right, so we get this piece. All right, so take these off. All right, so that's 11. All right, so let's see how we're gonna adjust this. Put that through there. That's how it looks for now. I'm gonna test it out. All right, so let me put the seat on, see how it looks. Then you got the Allen here that you take out, the Allen wrench. Take out that side, screw that side in. Either way you want to do it. But that comes out. All right, so I got this tightened on. All right, so I'm gonna just put the seat on for now and see how it looks. I haven't tightened it down yet, but I'm gonna put the seat on and just check it out. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I got it set up and got it adjusted. I pretty much tightened down the bolts. I'm gonna probably tighten them down a little bit more. So I'm just kind of let y'all take a look at it and see what the finished product looks like. All right, that's it. It's on. That's what it looks like, the finished product. Don't look too bad. I may have to adjust it a little bit more, but it feels good, you know, when I sat on it. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I sit on it. Yeah, so this is pretty much what it looks like when I sit on it. It's kind of right in my back, you know, right between, you know, the scapula, and it's comfortable. I'm gonna have to take it for a ride to actually see, but I can kind of lean back. Need to get some highway pegs now, huh? I'm gonna take it for a cruise and kind of see how it feels, but yeah, this is the finished product. Wasn't a bad install. Just a few bolts. Goes up and down, got a little zipper in the back. You can take it out, back to stock form, and you can put it back in. Put it back in. Yeah, so it ain't too bad. Yeah, so pretty easy. Just bolt right here, and this one here, and these two, and you good to go, man. Other than that, I give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna take it for a ride. So again, that wasn't a bad install. I'm gonna take the bike on a ride and just kind of see how it feels. All right, y'all, let's go hit a back road and see how this backrest holds up. And shout out to Kimimoto. We got some gloves that came in. Got to test them out as well. Kind of feel good, they fit good. All right, let's get to it. y'all, so there goes the setup with the backrest I just installed. It looks pretty good. You know, standard, nothing too fancy. Took it on the interstate, took it on the back roads, few back roads, and it looks good. It's doing its job. I may have to lower it just a little bit, but I'm not sure. But hey, no complaints. I need to ride it a little bit more. Alright, so I'll see y'all when we get to the house. Alright y'all, that's pretty much it for today's video. I did a little quick test ride on the new install on the backrest. So far, it rode pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to adjust it just a little bit, bring it down just a little bit. But other than that, it rode good. Just gotta get used to it, and you know, having the backrest on. The cool thing I like is that it is detachable and I can take it on and off whenever I get ready to. Overall experience, I think the backrest did its job. Yeah, thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for tuning in. And oh yeah, I did mention a ride I was planning on doing in the near future. The ride I'm gonna do, I'm going at it again, y'all. I'll be doing another iron butt soon. I'll be doing 1,000 miles in 24 hours, saddle sore. And so I'll be doing that within a few days. I think I got 2 guys who's gonna do it with me. So it's tentative for this weekend. And yeah, should be epic. You know, I wanna get another patch. You know, I got it once on that Kawasaki for completing the saddle sore 1000. I gotta get it on this hog now, y'all. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.
Hello girl, can I have a talk with you? Hello girl.